During my internship, I suddenly received a message. Your department has been dissolved. The setting is France. An 8-month internship at Renault. My boss was a Japan-born but France-raised Japanese. A cheerful French manager. Russian Belarusian. A completely mixed group. My department was a strange mix of ergonomics and logistics optimization. I was in charge of logistics optimization, too. It was honestly very tough research using theory and simulation. Then came an analysis task on Nissan's build-to-order production method. A production method so perfect that even defects don't disrupt the workflow. I kept stacking up data every single day, and then it happened. The logistics research team was suddenly dismantled. Graduate school researchers were all transferred to new teams, but I didn't receive any assignment notification. As an exchange student and not a full employee, HR didn't even know I existed. When I said, "I'll submit my report," they casually said, "There's no department to receive it anymore." It was the moment all my effort evaporated. But I didn't want the story to end there. Even if no one expects anything from me, I can create my own value. That day became my restart. A new step tomorrow. Yes, I can do this.